The Samsung Galaxy A26 earns an overall rating of 7.3 based on expert evaluations of its design, display, performance, and features. The device impresses with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, and IP67 water resistance. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset with up to 8 GB RAM, it delivers decent performance, though not the best in its class. The triple camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor, offers respectable photography capabilities, complemented by a 13-megapixel selfie shooter. The phone supports 5G connectivity, features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. However, its plastic frame and the absence of a 3.5mm headphone jack are notable drawbacks. Priced at BDT 40,000, the Galaxy A26 is a solid mid-range option for those seeking a balanced smartphone experience.